explain it better.
Alright, YouTube, and today we're going to be showing you how to take apart a 22 long rifle bullet. Pretty simple. Alright, I have my partner here today, and right there, you need two pliers. Alright, two pliers. They cannot be sharp. And then you need a cloth, but I'm using my iPod case just so you can see it. Okay, so first you get one plier and you pick up the bullet and you sort of close it around its rim. Don't, as seen here, you don't want to add too much pressure because it will probably it might explode, and this is very dangerous. I do not recommend this to any of you, but it's alright. Now you're gonna get the second pliers. Alright, and then you get the black part, not the shell, just the black. And now you tilt it left to right, then keep on tilting it to the left or right, preferably whatever one. And then, see here, this is just the bullet, the part that leaves the gun. Alright, now we're gonna move the camera. There's your bullet. There's your shell. Now, pour it out. This is the gunpowder that's in the shell. Now, this is extremely flammable. Do not light this inside your house. Alright, if you want to make that mistake once. No, I did not do that. Alright. So, yep. This is actually most of the weight right here. And again, I do not recommend this. Alright, and obviously there's a link in the description for how to take apart a 22 long rifle hollow point round. So, alright.